Floyd Shibambu says Jacob Zuma's children and family are stealing them Mkhonto party monies. Let us listen to this clip.
I think I said it elsewhere. There's also a group of people who are stealing money of Mkhonto Sizwe. So like the organization is given money by parliaments and legislatures. Some of them we charged them, by the way. Like Prince Mukotedi was the chairperson of, not the chairperson, he was the prosecutor. Prince Mukotedi is an experienced legal expert. We had charged some people for stealing money of Mkhonto Sizwe.
And
So
you were
in
getting in
terms
the
of-
way of that.
Yes, because I was very firm on principle that organizational resources must be used strictly for organizational purposes. And then, of course, then they ran a campaign and said, and some of them will, of course, have hearing of President Zuma because some of them are family members to him.